Loves it. And sort of bodywork is something to experience too, because you can watch it, but you don't fully understand it. It's very much a experiential thing. So what this feels like for Aaron right now, you won't know it until you actually receive good, slow, deep work. G'day guys, Ninja here with Aaron.
Hi.
We're going to do a quick knee flush on Aaron and have a bit of a chat.
I need a flush, Ninj.
So he's got a fat knee.
My
might
knee
be able
is...
to see his knee's a bit fat. So we're just going to move a bit of fluid around and help out his natural elimination system.
Yeah, it's obese.
It's obese. It's obese. It's a wagyu.
Yeah, it's a wagyu.
Wagyu knee. I got wagyu knee.
I love you say it with an accent. Wagyu.
Wagyu. Isn't that what they do?
Maybe.
In French?
Wagyu.
Wagyu.
Wagyu,
Wagyu, mate.
Yeah, wagyu.
Give us a whacking wagyu steak.
Croissant?
What's
Oh, that's like the...
What's on?
Who are those blokes again?
Yeah. Aussies.
Yeah. Swag on the beat. Is that it? Yeah.
Look them up, guys.
They're very good.
Swag on the beat.
A croissant?
Inspired Unemployed.
Oh, baggy?
Love them as well.
Yeah, they're part of that same ilk.
And Shami.
Chamois, yeah, Chamois. A little bit of a different kind of vibe, those guys. Yeah.
I saw, that guy that does stuff with Shami that used to kind of tease his uncle. Do you remember that guy?
What's his name? The uncle's Paulie.
Yeah.
But the guy is, I can't remember what his name is. He's a part of that crew though, yeah.
Anyway, I saw him do this proposal video. Did you see this? He must have been
actual proposal
video, and it was at like a whole crowd around and stuff, and it was like dolphins or stuff like that around. They were kind of all these people, and he had all these people, his mates there, all kind of watching and videoing and stuff like that. And got down on one knee, got the ring out, and she goes, "No," and walked off.
Was it a stunt though?
No, he was fucking devastated. He had his dad there and stuff, and
what?
Yeah, she said no.
Was it for publicity though? Like, was it a?
No, I think it was real.
Really?
Yeah.
What? And they posted it.
Yeah, they posted it. Heartbroken.
And it's not a bullshit thing. Were the comments the laughing kind of stuff?
No, I don't think anyone was laughing at that one.
Jeez. You always think like, well, it's like a lawyer. You don't ask questions that you don't know the answer to, eh? That's why most proposals, it's a higher success rate.
Yeah.
Jeez, what's he done? What's he done? That's the funniest video of his, was when he sneezed and put the Windex on the back of Paulie's head. Remember that initial video?
Yeah.
You dirty fucking cockfucker. You might have to beat that out, eh?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's funny. And Paulie was so funny, wasn't he, as well?
Oh, in the video, he went, oh yeah. Are you fucking serious? That's what he said. Dirty fucking stinking cockfucker. Can we edit that in? Oh. Jeez, right. There you go.
Yeah. I've seen some funny proposal videos, they're out on a boat and stuff like that, and his mate kind of throws him the ring and just goes in the ocean. Different shit like that. Slip it on rocks and just fucking slip in, and you know what I mean? So yeah, some pretty funny proposal videos out there. That's all.
It's just, it's all doing some stuff.
Yeah. So, what else? We're pretty fit. We're working on our fitness right now.
Getting there.
Gonna put in extra running sessions, extra gym sessions.
Yep.
And
some tennis sessions for me.
I'm doing a detox at the moment, so getting myself nice and healthy. So
it all counts, doesn't it?
Yeah, it counts towards the bigger picture. So
June. Stay tuned for a lot of content on socials, probably more Instagram. We've got two fellas coming from America to do some training with us, so we're going to plaster the walls. Don't know where that come from.
Plaster your feed.
I meant content.
We're going to plaster your feed. How's that? That's better.
Oh, that's a bit strange, isn't it?
Yeah.
Two blokes coming out from the States. We're going to plaster the walls.
Yeah.
Is that a saying for something else?
to the walls. I don't know. Maybe I suppose you put wallpaper on the walls.
Oh, this is going rogue.
Whose idea was it?
Feels good though, Ninj.
Yeah, I'm doing some good work.
Yeah, it's pretty fat, isn't it?
Yeah, just trying to be therapeutic. Give me a good flush. So whatever it takes, don't you? Yourself, keep out in the park. So everybody needs body work is a little phrase I like saying. So yeah, even if it's every 3 months, you could really do with some body work. Especially, I know, modern society, through the shoulder blades, in the neck, we carry the weight of the world on our shoulders. So with lower back pain, you might be feeling like you don't have support, you're disempowered, or you're supporting people too much. There's a lower back pain. So yeah, you just got to take care of yourself, and body work is a legitimate answer to resolving a lot of pain and frustrations and built up tension in your body, stress in your body. So we're big advocates of being regular and kind of developing relationships with your body worker, because I think you got to have a good match. So people that are kind of you can jive with. Is jive the right word?
Yep, jive.
Jive. Let's have a jive. Yeah, dance together. This is a dance. This is an art. So yeah, you don't want to step on each other's toes, mate. You don't want to have 2 left feet.
But it's true, you want to like your body worker.
Yeah.
You want to like hanging out with them, chatting with them, learn from them, seek counsel.
Yeah.
So yeah, you definitely build a relationship with your body worker.
Yeah.
Everyone's got needs a body worker in the family or something, you know.
Yeah.
Like the old put your magnet of your plumber up on the fridge, you know, when you need it. It's got to be body worker as well.
Yeah.
And if you're a body worker, you got to see yourself as that as well.
Yeah.
Don't be boring. Keep learning so you got more to give.
Yeah. Well, the little phrase we use is be interested, but also be interesting. So yeah, we've got to be interested in our customers, you know, so we can find out what makes them tick, and then we can help them on their journey to achieve what they want, their goals. But yeah, it's really important to be interesting and be innovating and things all the time, be learning yourself, and be healthy if you can, and be strong. So it's really important, because this is a physical job. You need physical exertion to carry it out. So if you kind of got pains and suffering yourself, or you're weak, you can't give people what they need. A lot of times they need the deep work. So yeah, it's important.
Definitely. Feels good, Ninj.
Yeah, I reckon this is one of the ones that needs to be done.
You reckon?
It's feeling like this
stuck.
That nice in the slot.
Yeah.
Kind of got to just wait here till that starts to shift.
Hard to explain that feeling, isn't it?
Yeah.
In the slot, but something.
Yeah, it's a zone, isn't it? There's a bodywork zone that we can kind of get in. Go at the rate that tissue's melting at. Loves it. And sort of bodywork is something to experience too, because you can watch it, but you don't fully understand it. It's very much a experiential thing. So what this feels like for Aaron right now, you won't know it until you actually receive good, slow, deep work. There's a sensation that you kind of know. You know what this means when you're receiving it. It feels right. So you kind of know that you're going to be better for it in the future. And no one can teach you that. You just got to feel it and kind of sense it at the time. And I suppose, the experience afterwards is proof in the pudding as well. Yeah, I think there's going to be a bit of
We'll speed up.
a bit of a knotty bit there. Just work through it. Got any other nuggets before we kind of sign off?
Got any other nuggets?
What's Hormozy kind of If he was here right now, what would he be talking to you about?
Oh, he probably wants some bodywork, I reckon.
Oh, I think we should reach out to Alex. So, mate, you're the best fucking marketer in the world.
Yeah, we're the best bodyworkers.
Yeah, let's fucking team up.
Let's do a collab.
Yeah.
I hear him speaking about this thing he's had in his quad for a year, some tension he's had in his quad, his neck's been a bit sore. So, Alex, if you're listening to this, give us a go.
We'll tag you.
We'll come out there and give you a plumbing out, or come out here.
Yeah.
We'll fix ya.
Best in the world.
Yeah.
Best in the business.
Yeah, what would he do if he was here right now? He'd be keen to get under the hood, I reckon.
Yeah.
Have a look at business.
Yeah.
He'd be probably proud about some of the stuff we've done recently.
Yeah.
But he'd definitely have a lot more low-hanging fruit that we could tap into, I think, for sure. Yeah, definitely. That's the thing. When you're in your business, you got blind spots. You kind of can't see stuff. It's right in front of your face. We had that recently, a couple of things we've implemented. It's like...
They were there all along.
They were there then.
Weren't they?
They're not new. They've been sitting in there. It's like the old antique bit of jewellery that you've had in your house for years and didn't realise it was worth $1 million. Thanks, Mr. Ninja.
Pleasure.
Appreciate that a lot.
Yeah.
Thank
We'll be right
you.
now. We'll run tomorrow.
Yep, Juds.
Duds.
Thank you, mother, for the rabbits.
Done.